perfect. Oh man, that was nice. There's one. Oh, he's back in that gap. Wrapped on, oh, he went underneath that log. Come out from under there, dude. Oh, he was giving a little. I think he went right under that log as soon as I hooked him. Freaking snake right there. Yeah, come out of there. He's coming. No, he's not. Come out of there. I gotta hoss this dude. I think I got him. Come on, big boy. Yes. Oh man, he went right back. Went right back in there. Try again. Yeah, he's out. He's out. Yeah, he needs slack, but I can't give him any because he's running too wild. Now I can. I had to get him out of that. He was pinched in there between a rock and a stump, and he kept going under the stump. Well, that's a good one. Man, he ain't hooked great. Oh, dude, don't throw it now. Battle's almost over for me. Oh, can't grip him. There, I got him. Whoo! He was hooked better than I thought. Man, I'm gonna need some pliers for that one. Man, I knew that was a beautiful place for one to be sitting. That is a hog there. Get him in the sun. At least for me. I'm sure in Florida or somewhere this is a dink, but not here. Let's see what we got. Can't believe I got him out. He bit that and went right under that log. What, 17.5 inches. Man, that is a nice one.